Hello students, we have already started the chapter The Address by Marga Minko. We have already studied in the chapter how Mrs. Darling denies entry to the author and how the author remembers about Mrs. Darling and how she got the address Marconi Street number 46, because she was not, when she denies to recognize her, she was not sure that whether she was on the correct address or not. Then she saw the green knitted cardigan of her mother, and this make him sure that she is on the right address. Now, in continuation of the story, now author was going back to her city, to the station, and she was used to or familiar to that place, but she did not want to pay attention to it because this will bring sad memories with her. So, in continuation, initially the author was reluctant. She was not interested. She was confused whether it is right or wrong, so she was not interested to get those things back. The author had remembered the address but waited a long time to go there. Initially, after the liberation, when the war was over, they got freedom. She waited for a long time to go there to get the things. She was absolutely not interested in all that stuff lying with Mrs. Darling. She was not interested with the things that were lying with Mrs. Darling. She was afraid to see the things that had belonged to a connection that no longer existed, no longer alive, because these things were concerned or related with the relation. That relation was not in this world now. That was her mother. She was scared that the things make her very nostalgic, feeling of sickness, feeling of homesickness, you can say, feeling of relation, she can recall. But gradually her life became normal again. But after some time she was feeling normal. One day she found her being curious about all the possessions, things. One day the feeling came to her that she wants to see all those things. She wanted to see them, touch, and remember them. She was very curious then. Then author went to Mrs. Darling's house and she refused to meet her. The author decides to try again. Once she came back, and after that she tried again. After her first visit went in vain, in waste, as her first visit was waste, she decided to try a second time. This time a girl of about 15 opened the door. Maybe she is the daughter of Mrs. Darling. The author asked about Mrs. Darling. She was told that Mrs. Darling was not at home. So that girl told the author that Mrs. Darling was not at home now. She has gone for errand. She had gone for her work. She followed the girl along the passage. The girl invited to the house, and the author followed the way the girl was going. She noticed an old-fashioned iron candle holder. In the text, the word is used hunka. So, as soon as she entered the house, first thing she observed the old-fashioned iron candle holder, which they never used. So, this was the first thing she saw in the house, and this was her mother or author's iron candle holder, which they have not used. They went into the living room. The girl and author went to the living room. The author was horrified. The author was very frightened, very scared. She found herself in the midst of things she did not want to see again. She observed that all the things were there that belongs to her relation, or earlier it was at her home, but which somehow oppressed him. She became very upset to see all these things. She was hurt to see her belongings lying in a tasteless way with the ugly furniture and muggy smell. She was feeling very sad that these things were lying in a very tasteless manner because they were not properly arranged, and these things were lying, or the furniture was lying in the muggy smell, सीलन वाली स्मेल, बदबू सी आ रही थी उस सामान से. The author could not dare to look around her. She was not having courage to see the things. हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी उन चीज़ों को देखने के लिए. The table cloth, the silver cutlery, even the still life showing the apple on the pivotal plate belonged to the author. Now she recalled how in her childhood or young age they were using these things at her home. She recalled the silver cutlery, tablecloth. She recalled that the tablecloth was once burnt, and she started searching that burnt mark, and finally she searched that, and then she saw the pivotal plate. Pivotal is the metal, that shiny metal. पीतल नहीं होता, कांसा मिक्स मेटल होती है. तो उसके ऊपर that was apple was carved on that plate, and it was her favorite plate. The author's final decision when she saw these things, and she observed that these things were used by Mrs. Darling and her family for many years. So the author thought that the author got very queasy. She was feeling uncomfortable. She remembered the time her mother told her about the cutlery, silver cutlery. She never thought that the cutlery she ate of every day was of silver. Then she recalled that once she was ill, she was sick, and at home she was feeling bored at that time, and her mother told her to polish this silver cutlery set. At that time she came to know that daily what they are using in their daily routine cutlery set, that was of costly silver metal. She could not stay there anymore. Now she was not interested to stay more at that place, at Mrs. Darling's house. The address was correct. Now she was absolutely sure that address was right, but the author did not want to remember it anymore. But she is not interested to keep this address in her memory. उस एड्रेस को अपनी मेमोरी में नहीं रखना चाहती थी. She felt that the objects were linked to a memory of a time which no longer existed. So these things are related to the person who is no longer in this world. So during the war, she had lost her mother. So the story is set in the pre-war and post-war situation. The war situation is not shown in the story. They lost their value in the strange surroundings. So the things lost their value because they are arranged in a very tasteless manner, so their value has already lost. She comforted herself, she consoled herself by thinking that her present house was too small to accommodate all the old stuff. Accommodate here, adjust. She consoled herself by thinking that her present house, where she was living in rented house, she cannot adjust all these things. She resolved to forget the address. She decided to forget the address. Thank you.